chapter. Today, let us concentrate on the first chapter. The first chapter is in the first chapter, so it will deal with the mechanism. So today, in the mechanism part, we will discuss the basic terms, the basic definitions, and the basic concepts. Okay. Now, you see the motion in a mechanism. What is the mechanism purpose? Mechanism will transfer the motion or will transform the motion. Then what type of motion? You will see there is one motion is called constrained motion. Completely constrained motion. Now, in completely constrained motions, what does it mean? Suppose I have a cylinder block, some groove is there, and in the groove, another cylinder piece is inserted. Okay. Now, this is the one link, and this is the second link. Then what is happening? If I say, suppose link 1 is fixed. Suppose link 1 is fixed. Fixed means fixed to the ground. Then how many types of motion the link 2 can have? Can anybody say? আমি বলছি this is the link 1. What is our mechanism? There is a one cylinder box. Cylinder box is then inside there is a groove is there, and inside the groove there is another component I have inserted. That is the component number 2. Then how many link? Link 1 and link 2. Now link 1 I have fixed it. Then what type of motion the link 2 or component 2 can have? কি রকম টাইপের মোশন? কি টাইপের মোশন? Linear motion, exactly. This is the only one motion. It will have only linear motions. Here if you see it is the linear motions. Linear motions. So that means motion of the component 2 is constrained. Constrained মানে কি? There is a single one. There is no other motions. There is no other motions. So this motion is constrained. That means I know certainly that motion of component 2 will be linear or translation motions. No other motion it can have. What type of other motions? It can revolve, it can roll. So it is only have. So this called completely constant motions. Now let us see another example. Suppose this is one, and here inside I inserted one shaft. So this is the shaft. This is the shaft. I have inserted one shaft in this block. And how many components are there? So this is the one block, and shaft is the another component. Now can you say what type of motion if the component 1 is fixed and component 2 can have any type of motion? So with respect to 1, what type of motion the link 2 or component 2 can have? মানে component 2 এর কি রকম মোশন হতে পারে? So this is the shaft, circular in nature. Circular, cross section is circular. The cross section is circular. Rotational motion, linear হতে পারে, so it can be linear as well as the rotational. Linear, rotational, it can work because this is free, so it can go these sides. So suppose this is the shaft can go this side like that. Also it can rotate. So that means it will have a two type of motions. There is a two motions. Now in mechanism
suppose I have, now this is one basic concept I know. So suppose there is a one mechanism is there, and one mechanism আমি একটা tool এখানে লাগিয়েছি. So I connected one tool here. One is my tool is here. Tool here. So this is my component. So this is the ground is the component one. Generally ground we are taking one component. Component na link. This is the link 2, this is the link 3, link 4 and link 5. Now one thing we have to understand that we have to give a command. Suppose I have to, our workpiece is here. What is our objective? To cut the workpiece. By who will cut? This tool will cut. So that means how I can cut it? I will. So there is one input command. আমি কি করব? To, so that I give some command. কাকে command দিতে পারি? ঠিক আছে? Suppose I give the command to the link number 2. তাহলে link number 2 কে আমি command দিলাম. I give the command. I rotate. তাহলে other links will also advance. This will also advance. This will also advance and will cut it. So tool will come one position to two position and start cutting. তারপর আবার কি করলাম? Then I go back. Then I again go back original positions. Again I giving the cutting command. So at that time it has to be there. The tool has to go again in the same position, cutting positions. If sometimes tool is going here and sometimes tool is going here, what will happen? Sometimes tool is going here and sometimes tool is going here, because at that time the motion is not constrained. Motion is constrained. তার মানে কি? মানে আমি একবার কমান্ড দিচ্ছি, so tool is going here. Another time I am giving the command, same command, and tool is going here. That means motion of the tool is not predictable, is not defined, is not constrained. And what is our objective of our mechanism? It should be constrained. আমি जितना बार command देंगे, tool इतना बार ही same जगह जाएगा. Wow, how many times I give the command to the link 2, and every time link the tool should go same position. If it happens, then this mechanism is called constraint. Same behavior, but sometimes tool is going here, sometimes tool is going here. Like I give an example here. Another time, so this is the first position. I give the command. So second time এরকম হয়ে গেল, এরকম পজিশন দিল. This is the second time, right? And third time এরকম পজিশন দিলাম, same command গেছে, কিন্তু 4 নম্বরটা এরকম গেছে. তার মানে কি হলো? So the motion will be not constrained, unconstrained. So if it has to be constrained, every time if I give any command, the output has to be the same. That means input is same, output is same. That is called constrained motions. So okay. So then what type of motions? Now if I see here in this our example, then you have told correctly. So there is a two type of motion. One is the linear motions. One is the two type motion. One is the linear motion and one is the rotational motions. Then is it constrained? No. Is it not constrained? Suppose I want to rotate the shaft only. Then our objective is only rotations, but our objective is not linear. So in that cases what will happen? It will rotate, but while rotating it will also do the translation motion. So this is not a constrained motion. So this is called, that's why this type of mechanism is called incompletely constrained motions. Incompletely constrained motion. Can anybody say? এখানে কটা হচ্ছে? আমি বললাম যে প্রত্যেকটা মোশনের আমি যদি এখন ইনপুট কমান্ড কি, আমি এখানে টর্ক দিলাম. If I give the torque, what will happen? কোথায় টর্ক দিলাম? shafted. I give the torque to the shaft will rotate. তাই তো আমি যদি শ্যাফটটাকে এরকম করে ঘুরিয়ে দিই তাহলে হোয়াট উইল হ্যাপেন, শ্যাফট উইল রোটেট, কিন্তু রোটেট করতে করতে ইউ উইল হ্যাভ অলসো লিনিয়ার মোশনস অলসো। তাহলে তাহলে আমার হলো না, আমি চাই অনলি রোটেশনাল, আই নিড অনলি রোটেশনাল মোশন। কিন্তু কি হবে, যেহেতু এখানে শ্যাফটের মধ্যে আছে, শ্যাফটটা রোটেট করতে করতে অলসো উইল ডু দ্য লিনিয়ার মোশন, তাহলে হলো না। তাহলে দু টাইপের মোশন হয়ে গেল, দেন ইট ইজ বিকামিং টু টাইপস অফ মোশনস, ওয়ান ইজ দ্য রোটেশন, ইয়েস, হ্যাঁ ইয়েস, hey, don't do this. So linear motions and rotational motions, don't do this. And if anybody যদি তাকে linear, so আমার এরকম দু রকমের motions, it will have two type of motions, but I do not need. So that's why it is called incompletely constrained motion.